Adolf Hitler's speech at the Krupp Factory in Essen, Germany in 1935 was a pivotal moment in the lead-up to World War II. Delivered 3 years before the outbreak of the war, this speech was part of Hitler's broader efforts to consolidate power and rally support for the Nazi Party among the German working class. The Krupp Factory, a major industrial conglomerate and supplier of weapons and military equipment to the Nazi regime, was an important target for Hitler's propaganda and political maneuvering. By addressing the workers directly, Hitler sought to secure their loyalty and ensure their continued cooperation with the Nazi regime's military buildup. In his speech, Hitler appealed to the workers, asking whether they believed he had worked diligently and fought for them over the past years, and whether they felt he had used his time in service of the German people. He then urged the workers to cast their vote for him, stating that if they agreed with his efforts, they should stand up for him just as he had stood up for them. This speech highlighted Hitler's skill as a public orator, as he was able to deliver a rousing and impassioned address that resonated with the factory workers. His ability to connect with the masses was a key factor in his rise to power and his ability to maintain control over the German population in the years leading up to the war. The speech also marked a significant moment in the history of the Nazi regime, as it demonstrated Hitler's determination to use propaganda and political manipulation to maintain his grip on power. By appealing directly to the working class, Hitler sought to create a sense of unity and loyalty among the German people, which would be crucial in the years to come. Furthermore, the speech at the Krupp Factory was a testament to the Nazi regime's ability to use industrial power and economic might to further its political and military goals. The Krupp Factory, as a major industrial center, played a key role in the Nazi regime's military buildup, and Hitler's speech was a clear indication of the regime's intention to continue and expand this military buildup. In the years that followed, Hitler's speech at the Krupp Factory would be seen as a pivotal moment in the lead-up to World War II. The speech marked a turning point in the Nazi regime's efforts to consolidate power and prepare for war, and it would have significant implications for the course of the war and the fate of Europe. Overall, Hitler's speech at the Krupp Factory in 1935 was a significant moment that demonstrated the Nazi leader's political acumen and his efforts to solidify his grip on power in the years before the outbreak of World War II. The speech was a powerful display of Hitler's rhetorical abilities and his attempts to rally support from the German working class as he prepared the country for the conflict to come.